Welcome to MarineMax of Minnesota. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I'm going to walk you through today a 2024 Premier 210 Sunsation. So in 2024, the Sunsation lineup got a complete revamp. Everything from below the deck to up on top of the deck is completely new and all redesigned. So let's walk through this 21 Sunsation and kind of point out some of the new things. So we're going to start here in the bow, obviously. We've got some nice seating. For 2024, they did change the hinging system. So it just kind of goes up on some hinges versus going back down that way. One thing I really wanted to point out right here is this cup holders are deeper and a little bit wider that way. So you can fit a little bit bigger cups down here. And then they do have some charging ports down here for your phones. We got some storage up underneath here behind this backrest right there. More storage there underneath both of those seats as well. One big change here is in the floor. So a lot of pontoons do have the storage in the floor, but what we've noticed is a lot of them are a lot skinnier and narrower. So this, they made a lot wider and they did make it a lot deeper. We do have the cover in there right now, but that does fit all the way in there and then it goes all the way down. So any water sports toys you want to put down there, great spot for that. We do have some more storage under here. And then they moved the garbage can into there along with the paper towel holder right there. So that's kind of nice. And then we come up here, we got the dual captain's chairs side by side. You got nice high backs to them. Your head can rest against here. You got armrests on both sides. Both armrests go up and down. And then we do have on this one of the raised helm. These are all going to be raised helms on these. This one does go forward and back, so you can recline if you'd like as you're driving. The one big thing they did change is the helm. So you got a whole new helm system right here. It just looks a lot different. They did put some storage up underneath here. You've got your two gauges side by side, and then this one does have a Simrad system. Simrad did come out with the new software, so you'll see that in there. We do have the Clarion stereo system. So we got the Clarion up here that is Bluetooth, and then you have speakers in the bow. You have one in the cockpit and then two in the back of this particular model as well. Steering wheel, very, very nice steering wheel. Didn't really change much with that. We do have a lighting package in here, so you can change the lighting within the speakers to whatever you would like. And then the bimini top is electric. So by the push of a button here, the electric top will go all the way down and then all the way back up, depending on how you want to use it. But really easy just to press that button. So let's take a look in the back here. So this is a nice lounger, if you will. This has got a backrest, so if you do want to sit forward that way. Otherwise, you do have two other options where you can pull it back, and then again you can pull it all the way down and convert it into a massive bed area. And just like before, they kind of kept this about the same, but you got cup holders on both sides. You got a little bit of storage in there with a lockable. If you have any valuables, you can lock those in there. There is storage underneath this whole unit in here, so if you have stuff you want to put underneath there, you do have that as well. In the back here, we did put the safety features, so if you are sitting back this way moving, you can sit back here legally by just putting these chains out. So the chains go across, and that's what keeps it legal when you're underway. We got the ski tow bar, or you could tow tubes or wakeboarders or whatever it is you'd like right up here, and it's very, very sturdy. And then the last thing I'll talk about is this is the Mercury 4-stroke. It's a 200 V6 for this 21 foot. So it's going to have plenty of power for this 21 foot Sunsation with the 200 on it. So I hope you enjoyed walking through the all new 2024 Premier Sunsation. Again, the Sunsation model's got a whole facelift. So we do have a few of them here at our Rogers location. If you'd like to come take a look at this one, you can give us a call and set up an appointment, or just stop on by. We'd love to show it to you. Click the like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos that we're putting out every day. Thank you.